Ready to unlock a world of shopping convenience right from your iPhone. First, let's find what you're looking for. Tap the search icon and type in what you need. Joyabuy's search is super smart, so even a few keywords will do. Browse through the search results and tap on a product that catches your eye to see all the juicy details. Check out the product images, read the description, and don't forget to peek at the customer reviews. Once you're happy, select your size or color and tap Add to Cart. Ready to check out, tap the cart icon usually at the bottom. It looks like a shopping cart. Review your order, and if everything looks good, tap Checkout. You might need to log in or create an account if you haven't already. Add your shipping address and payment information if it's your first time. Joyabuy keeps your information secure, so no worries there. Then review and place your order. To manage your account, tap the profile icon that might look like a person or an initial. Here, you can track your orders, update your address, or even change your password. Happy shopping!